My name is Dr. Callie Jewett, and I am an orthopedic sports surgeon at the Orlando Orthopaedic Center. I specialize in sports medicine. In the simplest form, sports medicine is the treatment of conditions and injuries that occur to patients while they're being active. So common conditions that I treat involve tendon, ligament, and cartilage injuries in and around the hip, shoulder, knee, and ankle. This can include the operative and non-operative management of hip impingement, shoulder rotator cuff injuries, shoulder instability, ACL ruptures, or complex knee injuries. I have a background in exercise physiology and anatomy. I've always been interested in the physiology and movement of athletes. I did my medical school at the University of Florida in Gainesville, and then completed an orthopedic surgery residency at Vanderbilt University in Nashville, Tennessee. I specialized in sports medicine and arthroscopy at Emory University in Atlanta. Throughout my training, I worked as a team physician for multiple Metro County high schools. During my fellowship training, I also worked as an assistant team physician for the Atlanta Falcons as well as the Georgia Tech teams. Having gone through the surgical and rehabilitation myself after a knee injury when I was in high school has really shaped the way that I treat my patients. I know that with this team, I'll be able to provide my patients with comprehensive, easy care.